If you're looking to purchase a new camshaft for your diesel engine, you might be wondering if your old cam will be accepted as a core. As a general rule, this part can only be accepted as a core if it's able to be rebuilt. But how can you tell if this part can be rebuilt? Today, we're going through some of the ways you can tell if your old camshaft will be accepted as a core. When evaluating your camshaft, there are a few things you can look for, like the straightness of the camshaft, the lobe wear, and the case hardening depth. It doesn't matter if you're looking at a new or remanufactured camshaft for your diesel engine. Knowing if your cam will be accepted can help save you some money on a costly repair. One thing a rebuilder will look for in a camshaft is its straightness. A bent camshaft can never be rebuilt. It's important to note, though, the heavy-duty camshafts are often so durable that it's hard to bend them. It's rare that these cams are ever bent. Another thing they'll look at when evaluating your camshaft is the extent of the lobe wear. In general, a little bit of wear, like minor scratching, won't cause issues with a rebuild. Extreme wear, like missing chunks of metal caused by machine interference, will prevent a rebuild. The actual allowable amount of wear really depends on the specific part number and the engine model it's for. Some cams with heavy wear can still be rebuilt, while others for different applications with similar wear cannot. The case hardening depth of your camshaft will also be evaluated. This is the harder metal on the outside of your camshaft. This hard metal allows the camshaft to endure the constant friction on the lobes. When you rebuild a camshaft, they'll grind into the case hardening depth. If there isn't enough depth, they can't rebuild the camshaft. The soft interior metal won't be able to withstand the friction from the camshaft operation. You can't tell the depth from a visual inspection, but the rebuilders can measure it in their shop. If your camshaft has been accepted as a core, it can go through the remanufacturing process, which involves welding and regrinding. When you're looking for a new camshaft for your engine, we know how overwhelming the choices can be. But we can help. Our wide range of diesel engine camshafts mean we can narrow in on the exact parts you need for your engine. Give our team of experts a call. We have ASE certified technicians on staff who can answer your questions and offer diagnostic support. We want to make sure you're getting the right parts for the job. Our mission is to take the risk out of buying diesel engine parts for our customers. So if you're looking for affordable, OEM quality diesel engine parts with expert advice on the other end of the line, we're here to help. If you have any questions about camshafts, you can call our ASE certified technicians at 844-447-1453. Or you can chat with us online at highwayandheavyparts.com. Be sure to like this video and hit the subscribe button on YouTube, Facebook, and all our other social media channels to stay up to date on all the news and information from Highway and Heavy Parts. From diagnosis through delivery, we're Highway and Heavy Parts, America's trusted diesel engine part supplier.